Now, having found who God is, my own wonderful human imagination, then how will I go about actually creating something that at the moment seems either difficult or even impossible? I start, first of all, naturally with God, because God is my own wonderful human imagination. So the most blessed gift in the world is a strong, vivid imagination, a clear idea, and a determinate vision of things as I would like them to be, all within my own mind. Conjure a scene which would imply the fulfillment of my dream. See it clearly in my mind's eye. Give it all the tones of reality. Give it as much sensory vividness as I can. And believe in that imaginal act. Have it so fixed in my mind that I am completely oblivious to all the things round about me that would deny it. And walk in the assumption that it is so. Assume that feeling of the wish fulfilled and simply ignore everything that denies it and walk in it. And I'm calling a thing that is not now seen as though it were seen. And that unseen state will become seen. I tell you, I know this from my own experience. It never fails, but we are the operant power. Knowing what to do is one thing, and doing it is another. So will I do it? To know it all well and good, but will I do it?